morning guys and to all my subscribers. Today I will teach you how to check 12 volts relay with normally open and normally closed. This relay is used to automotive. Okay? 87 means NO is normally open. 87A is normally closed. And then on pin 86, this is a positive supply. Sometimes ignition, ignition or positive supply is the same, Okay, and then 85, this is the ground. Usually used trigger or switch. And then pin number 30 is common or high current. Usually this is the direct current. Okay, 30. And then look at this, 87 normally open, 87A normally closed, 30 common or positive supply, 86 ignition or positive supply, 85 ground, usually trigger. This is the internal. This is the internal connection. 87A normally closed, which means this is a contacted to common. Okay, contacted to common, normally closed. And then normally open 87 only, without letter, as you can see, without letter. Okay, and then 86 and 85, 86 is ignition, positive supply, and then 85 is a ground. When supply positive and negative, input here, going here, the 30 is going down, and then 87 is the output. Okay guys, clear? Because this 30 going down, contacted, the supply positive here, going here, output back, and then 87A goes off because not contacted. Okay, do you understand? Okay, that's all guys, I repeat again, okay? When positive and negative go input here, positive, and then the trigger 85 input going here, the common pin number 30 is going down, and then he will be contacted here and going down, contact. Of course, this is the contacted, and then 87, the output going to fuel pump or anything device. Okay, and then this is the middle. You can see the middle is goes to be normally closed, goes to be open, and then normally open goes to be normally closed. This is the output. That's all guys, Okay.